Hi everyone, this is Jack, and today I'm going to be teaching you the intro of Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. And this intro is a good challenge for any beginner guitarist. We're just using 2 strings and just a few notes within those strings. So let's get started. To start, we're just going to use our index finger, and we're just going to go through those notes. So we're going to start on the 7th fret of the E. We only need the B and E string for this intro. So we're going to start in the 7th fret of the E, that's the lowest string, and we're going to go 7, 8, 10, 8, 7, just like that, and get a little rhythm in there. And that's the first part. We're going to eventually add our ring finger and middle finger, but for now we're just going to start with the E. So 7, 8, 10, 8, 7. And then the second part of that is exactly the same, but on the 12th fret. So we're going to go all the way to the 12th fret. We're going to go 12, 13, 15, 13, 12. And then we're going to go back down to the first part we just learned. 7, 8, 10, 8, 7. And then to close that whole intro out, we're going to go down to the 5th fret on the E string. So to put that all together, 7. So now we're going to incorporate our middle finger and ring finger into this to learn the whole intro. So we're going to start with our index finger on our 7th fret, what we just learned, and we're going to put our middle finger, on the 8th fret of the B string. So it makes that sound. And then moving up to the 8th fret, we're going to put our ring finger on the 10th fret. And then we're going to keep that same position of our ring finger and our index finger, but move it up 2 frets. So our index finger should be on the 10th fret and ring finger should be on the 12th fret. And then take that back down. And then we're going to do the same exact thing on the 12th fret. So index finger on the 12th fret, middle finger on the 13th fret of the B string, just like that. And then we're going to move that up 1 fret and put our ring finger on the 15th fret while our index finger is on the 13th fret of the E. And then move that up 2 more frets. It's pretty high on the neck. Put that all together. And then we're going to do the same as the first section on the 7th. And then we're going to end it on index finger on the 5th fret and ring finger on the 7th fret of the B. So let's put that all together. Playing it nice and slow for you, listeners and people trying to learn this. And that's how you play the intro of Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. Thank you.